Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 26 September 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and witnessed selling pressure from the first tick and slipped below the psychological 25k mark. It breached 24,950 in the second half and broke its 50 daily exponential moving average to close with losses of around 170 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has been making lower highs, lower lows from the last 5 sessions. India VIX was up by 2.5% to 10.8 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.68. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,400 to 25,400, while immediate range is in between 24,700 to 25,100 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 5,097 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 5,105 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 15.6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till Nifty holds below 25,000, weakness could be seen towards 24,750 and 24,650, while hurdles have shifted lower to 25,000 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,000 for the bounce towards 55,555. Else, a hold below the same could see weakness towards 54,500 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Hindustan Zinc, Indian Bank, Vedanta, Oil India, BEL, HFCL, AU Bank, and Keynes Technology. While some weakness could be seen in Tata Motors, Asian Paint, Trent, TCS, United Spirits, Godrej Properties, and Persistent Systems. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.